Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Today I will share an easy 5 minutes cooking pasta salad recipe. To begin, we cook bow tie pasta by adding salt and olive oil in a boiling water and cook the bow tie pasta for about 10 minutes. Let it drain, wash it in a cold running water and set it aside. After cooking the pasta, let's make the other ingredients by cutting a cooked ham. Cut into square, we use 2 pieces from the ham. This recipe is for 1 to 2 servings. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell at the end of the video for you to be always updated. Have 1 piece of medium-sized onion, cut and finely chopped. If you're looking for more salad recipe, then check my playlist. There are more for you to share. Since this recipe is only for 1 to 2 serving, we just get a slice from a red bell pepper, cut into small cubes. We've almost done with the ingredients. Let's have 1 stalk of celery. Also cut it finely in a cube. Your feedback helps us grow. Write your views in the comment. Eating salad is one of my family's favorite during summer. It is always done when having grill at the backyard associated with any kind of salad. So try this kind of salad this weekend, then tell what its taste. Then write your comment. Making salad is one of easiest and quick recipe, which can always be done in less than 5 minutes. Although it's easy to prepare it full of nutrients and vitamins. So for all the moms out there, I suggest to have always a salad as a side dish in your everyday menu. For the dressings, we need 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a pinch of mustard, a pinch of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We have to mix them well. In a large bowl, put the bow tie pasta, bell pepper, cooked ham, green peas, celery, onion, and cheese cubes. Then put on the top the dressing. Mix it carefully. Certainly, bow tie pasta salad is a delightful dish, especially during the warm summer months. This is a light and refreshing pasta salad recipe, perfect for summer picnics and outings. This bow tie pasta salad is tossed with an amazing, light and zesty homemade creamy dressing. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. Don't forget to put likes, subscribes, and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. Share this to your friends and families. Have a happy, healthy meal.